In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Make.com in 8 minutes. Start by opening Make.com in your browser and going into the scenario where you want to use Gmail. If you are starting fresh, you can create a new scenario. The important part is that you add a Gmail module, because the connection setup happens from inside that module. Once the Gmail module is on your canvas, open its settings so you can choose or create a connection. In the connection area, click Add to create a new connection. This opens a pop-up window where Make will guide you through linking your Google account. Before you sign in, go to the bottom of that pop-up and turn on Show Advanced Settings. This is a key detail because advanced settings allow you to provide your own Google OAuth credentials, which is often required in certain workspaces or setups. After advanced settings are visible, you will see a field for Client ID. Paste your Client ID into that field. Take a moment to make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, because even a small formatting issue can cause the login to fail. Once the Client ID is in place, you are ready to authenticate. Now click Sign In with Google. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to connect to Make, and proceed through the normal sign-in flow. As you continue, you may see a screen that says Google has not verified this app. This can happen when the integration is not publicly verified in the way Google expects. To continue anyway, click Advanced, then select the option that lets you proceed to the Make integration, even though it is marked as unsafe. Make sure you are doing this only when you trust the workspace and you intentionally want to connect this account. Next, you will be shown a permission screen. Read the requested permissions carefully so you understand what access is being granted. Then click Allow to approve the permissions and finish the connection process. When you are returned to Make, the new Gmail connection should now be created and selected inside the module. At this point, your Gmail account is connected, and you can continue configuring the Gmail module for your specific automation. That covers everything you need to know.